How to make $400 per day using Google News. A surprising application. Google can help in the process of making money online in less than 5 minutes, making it accessible for both first-time and experienced entrepreneurs and online workers. Google News provides a wide range of news articles on numerous topics, allowing users to stay updated on global events, local happenings, technological advancements, entertainment, scientific discoveries, and health and sports-related information. People can earn money by copying and pasting text, rephrasing articles, and selling them to websites or platforms that pay for content, without the need for selling or affiliate marketing. This may be the coolest way to make money online, without selling anything or doing any kind of advertising. With this way, you don't need to build a website or create a channel on YouTube. There is no requirement of any social following or audience. This is an uncharted territory, revealing how you can make money online from Google. Yes, you heard me right. All you need to make money with this method is to follow some steps. Step-by-step guide to make money online through Google News. The first thing you're going to do is head over to google.com to make money online. When you get to Google's homepage, type Google News in the search tab and hit enter. This will land you on the Google News platform, which is a hub for local as well as international news that is constantly being updated. Heading over to Google News by just typing Google News into the search bar and click on the first link that appears is the very first step to get yourself on the journey to earn $400 per day in a very simple and to some extent creative way. Step 1. Selection of topic to earn $400 online. In the first step, select the popular topics, trending, or attention seeker. These topics could range from technology, corporate, sports, entertainment, science, or well-being. Pick one article. Now, let's select a health topic to make money online. There are many good articles here, but let's choose one. Red meat and cheese are unlikely to lower life expectancy, according to a new study. Is it one of those studies that came out years ago, claiming that egg yolk was bad for us, or that other study about coconut oil? You can't follow all these studies, but I'm curious because cheese is something I know is bad for me but continue to eat it. Let's see what they have to say. Step 2. Paraphrasing through Spinbot. After selecting your articles, it's time to move to the next step of making money from Google News, that is to move over to Spinbot. Spinbot is a free automatic article spinner or text writing tool. It's perfect for paraphrasing. Spinbot will allow you to avoid plagiarism. On their website, they indicate that they're grammatically accurate, a fun and fresh take on decayed content, and used by millions of people all around the globe. The next step is to copy the articles you found on Google News and paste them into Spinbot. Step 3. Review the article. Now it is the need to review the final article for value-added material. It can also be personalized if it is wanted. Remove all irrelevant material and ads and squeeze it so it reads to perfection. While imitation plays a role in business, this is not called as stealing a model. It's more like finding a fruitful recipe and adding your spice blend, just like news networks building on existing reports. Another big example is of Burger King. Burger King took McDonald's central concept and filled it with its personality, menu, and promotion. The crucial element, rightly figured out, is the spin, making it different and attractive to its audience. They modified and transformed, carving their niche in the burger empire. And that's an appreciated example for all of us. To learn from prevailing models, but don't forget to add your own unique spice into it. Step 4. Post the article to make money online. Now, with your freshly turned article, it is ready to make some money. There are different platforms where one can post these articles, and not to make peanuts but good amount of money. These platforms cover articles that can be posted in corporate technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, or education. Numerous of them people can have access to wherever they live across the globe. You don't have to build a website and aren't required to publish any videos. There are websites that will pay you money for your article. Some of them will pay you up to $1 for each word. For instance, if you have a 1,000-word manuscript, which most of them are, you can earn up to $1,000 for each and every article. The easy thing is that you can make those articles in few minutes or max a few hours if you write them, rephrase them on your own. If you make one article each day, you can earn at least $100 per day. Most of those websites will pay you much more, and the more websites you publish on, the better, because then you can double and triple your earnings. Eating Well is one of the popular websites where people can post their rephrased article and can earn $100 per article. They pay you up to $1 per word, and this is really helpful. To make $400 per day, AARP.org is another website where you can post your articles and earn a good amount of money per day. AARP takes it up a notch by paying $2 per word. Their content range is wider, encompassing several topics beyond health. Similar to the process with eatingwell.com, you'll send an email expressing your intention to submit an article. Once acknowledged, you're on your way to making even more money. Depending on the platform you choose to post on, you may need to post 1, maybe 2 articles, 3 at most. But think about how simple it is to go to Google News, copy an article, put it in Spinbot, rephrase it through, and post it. You could be posting an article per hour. But let's be truthful and conventional. Posting 1 to 3 articles could help to move on the path to earn approximately $9,000 every month. This technique is not only easy, but is also recognized to be effective. With a bit of devotion and willpower, you can achieve your financial goals. This method is recognized as a game changer in the world of content creation. All this straightforward process requires nothing more than a computer or smartphone and a readiness to follow some simple steps. Revolving your internet browsing time into a profitable gamble is within your grip. By following these straightforward steps, you too can achieve earnings of $1,000 per day or even more. Remember, consistency is key. The more articles you make and submit, the higher your money-making potential becomes. So grab this opportunity and start making your exclusive articles and make a handsome amount of money. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on more money-making and financial management tips.